Welcome to Mechanical Tutorials. I'm going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. Hi, today I'm going to explain about notch feature and its design guidelines. So this is the notch feature. So let's understand what is notch. Notch is the operation of removal of metal to the desired shape from the edge of a plate. So from the edge of the plate we generally remove the material. The purpose of notch is generally to release metals from fitting up. When we make sheet metal bending, so we give some relief for better fitment. So notching is a shearing process. So this is the simple sheet metal component and this is a notch feature. So sometimes we provide the simple fillet. So let's understand the design guidelines. Notch width should not be narrow than 1.5 mm. 1.5 thickness. If T is the thickness of the sheet metal, so it should be 1.5 T. The length of notch can be up to 5 T. So this length, see here, this is the length. So it should be 1.5 T. And distance between edges of the notch should be 2 times the thickness. So this should be minimum distance. And the recommended corner radius for notch should be 0.5. So this radius, so usually we should not give inside the component. So this radius should be 0.5 thickness. And the distance between hole and the notch edge is 1.2 T. These are the factors we have to follow while designing a notch in sheet metal components. Thank you.